Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Toshiba Smart TV. It's the Fire TV edition. Comes with this remote here. I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset. Once you do this, it'll be as if you bought the TV brand new and took it out of the box. So first thing is go ahead and grab your remote here, and you want to click on the home button right on top. And now what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down, all the way to the right where it says settings. Now grab the remote, and then you want to click on down. And now you want to move to the right. Keep going till you get to device and software. Press enter, and now go ahead, simply scroll down, and what do you know? Factory reset back to factory defaults, and then go ahead and press on enter. And then you want to continue here. Of course, you should be connected to your the TV should be connected to have an internet connection, Wi-Fi or direct cable connection or whatnot. Anyways, that's how you do a factory reset on this Toshiba. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys on the next one.